Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set a background image in Django. So this is my home page. We want to set background image. So let's start. Here I open, this is my main HTML page. It is called more.html. So here on body, let's write bg, write background id bg, then after style, right, let me increase the size to add more visibility. So here style, I set background image, yes, something like this. Then after url single quote. After that, we should do something like this, yeah, something like this. Then after, we should put a percentage sign inside, right? After that, static. After static, we need to write the path of our background image. So double quotes. Then after, we need to comment. Let me say here, comment images. Then let me see my background image, right? It is 4.jpg, right? 4.jpg. After including the path, we need to yes, we are done. Let me control S to save the changes, right? After this, let me tell you where we have loaded this image. Let's back here. This is my Django project. It is named ML. Inside ML, there is an app called the comment. I open my app. Inside my app comment, there is a static. I open. Inside the static, there is comment folder which has the same name as my app name. I open it. Then after, there is folder named images. I open it. Then this is your background image, right? So you know where you can store your background image and how you can link your background image. Let's Control S and refresh the browser to see if there is any changes. Now we can see our background is successful set. So there is some more we can do here. Let me show you something. Create a new file and name it. Let me name it comment.css, right? Comment.css. Then I save it in a static comment. Yeah, let me save it here. Let me save it here, right? Let's make some few changes here. This is our CSS file. Let me create a CSS file folder. Then let's move it. Let's move it, cut, and store it in. Yeah, something like that. Then after here, we need to set some CSS properties, So here, let me write is ID should be bg, something like this. Then after, we need to set some properties like background repeat, yes, background repeat, no repeat. Then after, we need to set background size. Let's say background size is yes, something like this, px. Then yes, something like this. Then after, let's set another property, background position. Let me set it top, right? Then after, we need to set background attachment, background attachment, yes, fixed. Let me control S to save the changes. Then after, let's include this comment.css, you know, here let me do something very simple. Let me do something like this. No, we can just copy this. We can copy, we can paste it here. Then we want to include our comment. It is named comment.css. Then the path is from blah 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 css comment here. Let's control S to save the changes and go to browser and refresh a page. Yeah, actually it is looking the same, but a concept is that we should link our background image on body of our main homepage, as you can see. Then after, we need to create CSS for our background image. So that is an end of our tutorial. Just to remind you of what we have learned, we have learned how to rank, how to set background image in a Django. We created a CSS file. We stored our background image in our app name, and then we set our background image on our main homepage. So actually that is an end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video updates. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.